Hey everybody, Earl here, coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. MGMClassicCars.com. Check it out, the Plum Crazy 1970 Dodge Challenger has arrived here. Black interior, powered by a 360 automatic transmission. Everything's been rebuilt with an Edelbrok aluminum heads, F&I Tech fuel injection system, TTI headers, Serpentine belt. I couldn't even speak. System's been put on with an aluminum radiator upgrade. Rack and pinion steering has been added. It's got the Wilwood 4-wheel disc brakes and a 355 posi rear end. Tubular arm control system on it as well. This thing has been set up. Let's take a look at this baby. What an iconic stance. Great color. Plum Crazy. Great driver. Just took it for a run. Thing drives out wonderful, stops great, handles great. Got a great ass on this car. And it's straight. Paint is in good shape all the way around. It's got the Dakota gauge package inside there, which is really nice. It's sitting on 19s in the back, 18s in the front. Custom wheel and tire package has been put on. All the lights work. Blinkers, turn signals. My old school comes out. Let's get up and personal. Front chrome is in great shape. Lower valance as well. All your lights working properly. All your badging and grills in good shape. Look at those nostrils. It's got the pins in there. Lines up good. Just a beautiful face. Windshield's in good shape. Fender's in good shape. I don't see anything except one little touch-up spot here. All your chrome is good. Top is in great shape. Driver's glass and rear glass is in good shape. Your sport chrome mirror is in good shape. Little chipping and stuff on the Challenger sign, but it's in good shape. Wilwood discs all the way around. It's a Schott custom wheel. Lines up good on the fender to the door and underneath. Super nice underneath too, clean. Another little chip here. Rear quarter's good. Seems to be original. This thing's straight. Rear chrome bumper's good. With the quad tailpipes hanging from the back. All done right. All your lights are working. Trunk lines up good. Your rear glass and chrome around there is in good shape. A couple fine little scratches in the rear window, but nothing major. Passenger quarter has another tiny little chip right by the gas. I get off of it, it goes away, but it's there. I see it. Quarter's in good shape. Passenger door lines up great all the way throughout. Couple little chips here. This is a beautiful car. Let me get down on it. You can take a look how straight this thing is. What an iconic sports car. Muscle car. Look at this thing. It's Let's take a look inside. Interior's in very good condition. Back seats all there with seat belts intact. Your rear deck's great with 6x9s. Headliner's done right. Dome light is working. Good shape. All original welds in your door. Couple little smudges and stuff up in here that could be touched up. No rust to be found anywhere. Driver's seat belts are intact. Passenger seat the same. This door panel's in good shape, passenger. Your dash pad's great and your dashboard. Center console. Dakota gauge, there you go. All Dakota gauges. Nice upgrade. Steering wheel's in good shape, wood. Your old Denon radio, who remembers those? I do. Like I said, everything's working but the horn. It seems to be hooked up, just something's not working on it. All your gauges are working properly the way they should. Let's check out the trunk. Go from there. You got a jack but no spare. Nicely carpeted. All your weather stripping in the car is good. I drove it, like I said, this car drives amazing. It's tight, it stops, it's performance, it's fuel injected. So much going for it. Let's fire this monster up. No gas. Great sound. Great exhaust. All your fender stamps are there. Aluminum radiator. Another fender stamp there. There's your fuel injection system. Power steering. Edelbrok Performance. Inside is very clean. All your hoses, all your belts, done right. Everything's fresh. Let me give it a little bit more gas. financing with us, and you're anywhere from a 640 score to a 739 finance score, go directly to my website, mgmclassiccars.com. Hit apply now where the car's at. Minimum 10% down, 84 months with great rates. If you're a 740 and above, go directly to lightstream.com. Again, that's lightstream.com. Usually about 24-hour approval or sooner, sometimes no money down, 84 months financing up to, with great rates as well. If you need a quote on shipping, open or enclosed anywhere in the United States, you can contact me by texting me or call me at 773-600-0919. Again, that's 773-600-0919. My name is Earl. We have over 120 vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. All our photos, descriptions, pricing is on our website at MGM Classic Cars. We are located in Addison, Illinois. We are open from 9 to 5, Monday through Friday, Saturday from 10 to 2, by appointment only. If you have any questions on any of our cars, you can reach me on my phone at 773-600-0919. If you like our videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, mgmclassiccars.com. Also like us on Facebook at mgmclassiccars.com. Forget the .com. And also Tri-State Auto Wholesalers. Thanks for checking out this beautiful 1970 Challenger. Let's get this in your home. Have a great day.